Hello everyone, thanks a lot for checking out the video. Let's start the video with a quick flip through of my June Bujo. Last month my theme was goldfish. You can check out my June Bujo setup video. I put the link on I button and description box too. Every month I plan my Bujo setup with a new and very interesting theme. To see them all, subscribe the channel and feel free to follow me on Instagram. Theme of the month is Majestic Giraffe. For the cover page, I draw two giraffes coming out from the painting and write July on right bottom corner of my page. For coloring the giraffe, I use almost all shades of yellow I have. For the spot, I use dark red, and darken the shadow, I use walnut brown, black and dark red. I use warm gray, raw umber and pompium red for the fin. For coloring the leaves, first I darken the shadow with dark indigo and use light green for the highlighted part. Then blend them well with leaf green. It is very tricky for me to draw a blurry background with only color pencils, but somehow I manage it and I fully satisfied with the final result. If you are a regular visitor of my channel, you may notice that every month I am adding an inspirational quote about my theme with my cover page. This month also I wrote a motivational quote about giraffe. Don't worry being different and standing out from the crowd. Rather stand tall and proud and appreciate the majestic beauty of your uniqueness. To color the bottom leaf, I use little bit earth green with all other color which I previously used for leaves. This is my monthly log page. I prefer to call it planning of the month page. From last 3 months, I maintain the start with log at monthly page where I write how I start this month physically, mentally and spiritually, and it's worked pretty well for me, so I continue it on this month also. But last month I tried to plan weekly basis. Unfortunately that not worked for me, so I keep that one. I only plan my goal and its action plan monthly. For the illustration, I use same colors as previous to color the giraffe. To draw the dark shadow of giraffe, I use plenty of dark indigo. It seems little empty to me, so I add a freehand background to it. Now it looks better. This is my July habit tracker page. I write my habit vertically and day and date horizontally, and at the bottom I like to keep a chart of my productivity level and screen time of me and my son. I draw a giraffe eating from tree. At the right side of the page, I use same colors for the giraffe and the background. I color the hill blue here, but after completed the illustration, I did not like that. So I change it color after shooting. You will see that on the final clip through. Now we reach to the most important page of my monthly puja setup, my yoga workout page. I plan my workout and yoga schedule here. I draw a giraffe doing side bend here and add the calendar for planning my workout schedule. This is my daily routine page for July. Here I will plan my daily routine, note down my deadlines. For the illustration, I draw a mother giraffe is loving her baby at the middle of the page. I use the same colors for coloring the giraffe. For background, I use phthalo blue. This is my weekly cover page. I like to make my weekly in Dutch dough style and write down the serenity prayer on the side of my weeklies so I can read it every day. First time I draw a cover page for my weeklies. I illustrate a mother giraffe helping her baby to eat by pulling down the tree branches low. Coloring the giraffe, I use the same colors, but I pay more attention on shadows because shadows play more important role on hair. I add a little bit purple with the blues to give some depth to the clouds. I use a paper towel to blend out the colors and give a watercolor effect to the sky. I continue the cloud and the bushes from foreground at the last page of my weekly or pair page to give a complete look. I use same color for background and grass. Cool and warm grey both makes my elephant more realistic. Are you able to spot the other giraffes on the illustration? This is my cover page of July's journal. In this section, I briefly write about my day before sleeping and enter into a gratitude zone to sleep more peacefully. I draw a peaceful giraffe family loving each other. For coloring, I use same colors and I write the title of the page at the bottom half of the page in my own unique calligraphy style. Hope you like it. This is my last page of my July Bujo. After writing the last date of July, I have some place left. I keep it empty for my brain dump section. I keep the last page almost empty for my keep in mind for August section. I add a little giraffe at the right bottom corner of the page. We are almost reaching at the end. Before finishing the video, let's take a final flip through of my July Bujo setup. And please subscribe for more Bujo videos in near future. If you like my hard work, please like the video and remember to share the video with friends who might be interested in bullet journaling. Thanks for watching. Hope you are enjoying the video. I will coming very soon with my August Bujo setup with a new interesting theme. Till then, bye. Stay safe and healthy and happy.